Hello, today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search on the Xperia 5 Mark IV. So there is two ways for this. On this phone by the Google Lens and by the web browser. We will start from the first method. So we have to open the gallery and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one. Now just tap on the Google Lens icon, and how you can see, now Google looking for the similar or the same photo. Now it's time for the second method. Go to the web browser and go to the google.com. Now it's very important step. Go to the three-dot icon and enable desktop site. Now tap on the small camera icon and choose upload the file, then other permissions. Choose the photo again. And how you can see, now you are looking for this image in the Google. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.